The IC institute must have submitted minimum 12 activities report by the current IC calendar years. The IC Institute may have a pre-incubation, incubation faculty, IPR technology transfer faculty on their campuses. Mentor-mentee scheme and impact lecture scheme are mainly same, but in mentor-mentee scheme, institute that have secured 2.5 star or less than during IC star rating established an IIC in the current academic year or a newly joined IIC institute. Preferably, mainly it is given to a BBA, BCA institute and other non-technical institute. An IIC institute will complete formation by my council and regulation conducting quarterly counseling meeting. The IIC institute submit a minimum of 3 activity report during the IIC calendar 24-25. In impact lecture, IIC institute must have secured 2.5 same as the mentee institute during 6.0 calendar year 2025. The IC institute must have complete My Council. Please note that this point. In every scheme, if you are eligible when you complete My Council. My Council for the current IC year, the IC institute must have submit at least 3 activity report during the quarter 1 and quarter 4 of IC 7.0 calendar. Step 2, give the consent and nomination of a coordination. In this, we will first go to the ic.mic.gov.in and log in a portal, and for go to the handling and capacity development tab. Click on this. Click on mentor-mentee scheme, and here you can see this is a demo test case. You just click on nomination nominate coordinate from your institute, and you are eligible for mentor-mentee scheme. As same as our second step is to give in a consent nomination as a coordinator. Same, we are login and go to the hand holding part capacity element, go to the impact lecture and select a coordinator and give a consent. It is an important link or website. Uh, IEC 7.0. Uh, In addition, IC 7.0 brings us several key updates where activation of a school student councils, submission of activity reports, innovation ambassador training program, UPT repository submission, and consent of the participant in mentor-mentee impact lecture regional meet. So, institutes should stay active and compliant. To conclude, we discuss with mentor-mentee scheme, impact lecture. Uh, Now I know many of you have questions. So would you like to further clarify to address all you carry? I would now like to invite Monica ma'am for the QA session. So clear your doubt. If you have any doubt, you can raise your hand. First doubt, Ashish Agrawal. Yes.
Yeah, hello sir. This is Ashish Agwal. I am from SRMS CT Bareilly. Right, I am the convener of IIC here. So actually, we had applied. I think 1 month back for impact lecture scheme and mentor mentee scheme. Right now, we are having 2 stars. And just after the first meeting of IIC, we had applied for that as well as for this regional meet process, but as well as dice too. But still, there is no updation on the login portal.
About which scheme you're asking, sir? This for the
Actually,
update.
we have applied for the DICE scheme as well as impact lecture scheme.
Okay, sir. Actually, the impact lecture and mentor mentee scheme is nomination is yet going on. So the
Okay.
last date is 31st of August. So that is
All
why
right.
this process will complete the no, last date after 31st of August. After that,
Okay.
we will filter out all the final list of mentor and mentee and impact lecture and nominations. After that, the second process will commence, and you will get
Okay.
you will not we will you will get a notification from our official mail that who in whichever institute are selected.
Okay. And similar for DICE scheme.
That,
PMC.
sir, it is for the School Innovation Council.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
are waiting for that. It is pending from MIC because the School Innovation Council is they are still in the process of evaluating all the details and data. Once it will be completed from their end, we will officially notify. Most probably this month it will be completed, but
Okay,
the data, final data, will be coming from this School Innovation Department.
okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank
Do you have any information about regional meet, or that will be detailed in?
Recently, most probably it will be on second or third week of September. The process is going on. The tentative date and the host institute is yet to get selected by committee members. Once it will
Okay.
be it is in the process of working. Once it will be finalized and we get the final data of the venue and the date, and we will just will notify you, and you will get all the details in the portal itself.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Any other query?
No, thank you.
Yeah, and thank you. Any other query? Please raise your hand.
Uh, Pooja ma'am,
Yeah, actually, my name is Dr. Pooja Das, and I'm representing Uttaranchal University. I'm a coordinator here. So actually, we have applied five schools from our university, and in the website itself, we can see it is still pending. So, can you please guide us what we have to do in the further step? Because
Regarding which scheme, ma'am?
IIC only.
No, in ISA there are different schemes, whether it's DICE, Impact Lecture, Mentor Mentee. So I'm asking which scheme can
Mentor mentee, actually, mentor mentee.
so in Mentor Mentee only the first stage process is going on. That is the nomination. The
Okay.
last date is 31st of August, as it is shared in I think
Yes, yes, yes.
yeah, he has shared Mr. Aman, that he is your zonal in charge. So 31st is the last date for the nominations. Once this process completed after 31st of August, we will get the final list of these listed institute of
Mentee.
this mentor and mentee.
Mentee. Okay, okay, okay,
You can
okay.
also say there is also a scheme document in ISC portal. Once you will go to hand holding and capacity development section, you
Okay.
will see there is one section, impact lecture and mentor mentee. Once you will click, you will find the scheme document there. You will see each and every schedule, what is the next process and how it's going to be.
Okay, 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 sir. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you. Any other query? Those who have any query, please raise your hand. Right, the 31st is the last date, so I'll request each and every person, if you have any doubt how to nominate even or how to complete any council meeting, I'll just go through the portal and help you out. So please raise your hand right now and ask any query you have.
किसी को कोई क्वेरी है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं. अगर किसी को पोर्टल का डेमो चाहिए तो आप बता सकते हैं कि हम डेमो भी दिखा देंगे. बट अगर कोई क्वेरी हो तो
सर, एक क्वेश्चन ये है कि
ये है मैम.
मेंटर मेंटी, जैसे कि मैंने अभी बताया, हम लोग का जो वो है वो मेंटर मेंटी के ऊपर है. तो मेंटर में जैसे कि दे हैव गिवन माय नेम एज दे हैव नॉमिनेटेड माय नेम एज अ कोऑर्डिनेटर, एंड दे हैव adapt five schools as a mentee. And when they applied, it's a quite long time, like before a month ago they have applied, actually, my university. And like question was like it is showing pending only. तो उसके लिए हमको कुछ करना है अभी, या सिर्फ अभी नॉमिनेशन का वेट करना है सर टिल अप टू 31st
You
अगस्त?
have to wait, ma'am, because this nomination is going on. Once you have nominated, your work is done right now for the phase one.
ओके, 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 ओके.
Any other query regarding mentor mentee Yukti Innovation Challenge or any kind of ISC regional meet or star rating? Any kind of doubt, please, if you want any clarification, you can raise your hand and ask question. Yeah, Miss Priyanka, ma'am. Ma'am, you can unmute yourself and ask question.
Yes, ma'am. Myself, Dr. Priyanka from Goel Institute from Lucknow. So, my question is that हम इनोवेशन एम्बेसडर पे जो इनोवेशन एम्बेसडर यूट्यूब लिंक क्रिएट करते हैं, उसको अपलोड लिंक को अपलोड करते हैं, उसमें मुझे पोर्टल पे ऑप्शन नहीं समझ आ रहा है कि कहाँ पे अपलोड करें.
मैम, ये इनोवेशन एम्बेसडर के जितने भी एक्सपर्ट्स के रिपोर्ट्स होते हैं, दैट विल बी सबमिटेड इन द इनोवेशन एम्बेसडर पोर्टल इटसेल्फ.
यस मैम, वो तो ठीक है. जब हम अपने आईसी पोर्टल पे जाते हैं और इनोवेशन एम्बेसडर पे हम उनके पोस्ट को वेरीफाई करते हैं. सिमिलरली इनोवेशन एम्बेसडर्स यूट्यूब लिंक क्रिएट करते हैं, वीडियो लिंक क्रिएट करते हैं, जो वो लोग सेशन लिए होते हैं. उस लिंक को भी हम लोग पोर्टल पे अपलोड करते थे मैम. अभी हमें पोर्टल पे चीज दिख नहीं रही.
रिपोर्ट सबमिशन इज रिक्वायर्ड, सो इट इज नॉट मैंडेटरी कि आपको वीडियो भी अपलोड करना है, सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट.
अच्छा, इसमें जरूरी नहीं है.
No, if the report submission is important, आप उसमें एक experts की report submission के section होती है. Once आप basic
वो तो है
complete करिए, and reports में जो documents mandatory मांग रहे हैं, you need to fill only that only.
Yes,
make sure ये 31st से पहले सारे documents जो innovation ambassador आपके upload कर रहे हैं, make sure कि वो INC portal में verify हो जाए. That will be considered for evaluation.
हाँ मैम. Sure. Okay. Thank you.
Any other query? If any person have any other query, please raise your hand.
आई थिंक क्वेरीज नहीं है. अगर कोई क्वेरीज है तो आप हैंड रेज कर सकते हैं. Okay, then thank you for joining this session. We encourage all the institute to actively participate and take full advantage of their